Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to make cool 3D text with a reflection effect in Canva. To start, go to the element, search river, choose an image, and set it as the background. Add a new page with a black background. Insert your text. Make it big. Change the font to Anon. And download it as a transparent PNG. Go to the app and use the transform image tool to adjust the just downloaded image. Add it to your design. Then pick a shadow graphic from elements. Resize and rotate it to match your text. Go to Layers, send backward. Duplicate the text. Flip it. Rotate. Go to Edit Image. Scroll down to Apps. Click Liquify. Choose Melt. Lastly, make the duplicate text transparent for the final result. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.